myself Prabhashri, SNS College of Technology, Department of Mathematics. So today we are going to see about the Laplace transformation sums. Let's go with the sum. So this is the find Laplace transformation. So they are giving the Laplace function. So L of sine cube 3t. We know the formula for the sine cube theta. So sine cube theta is nothing but 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta divided by 4. So we are writing the formula for theta only, but the sum is for 3t. So we are substituting theta into 3t. So L of sine cube 3t, which is equal to L of 3 into sine. Instead of theta, we are substituting 3t. So 3 sine 3t minus sine into 3 into 3t. So we will get 90 divided by 4. So now we have to split up the Laplace equation into this term. So L of 3 into sine 3t. So we have to write the constant term in the outside. So 3 into L of sine 3t minus L of sine 90. We are taking 1 by 4 as a common term. So 1 by 4 equal to, we know the formula for L of sine 80. So L of sine 80 is the a divided by s squared plus s squared. So our a is here 3. So 3 divided by s squared plus 9 minus, here our a is the 9. So 9 squared, which is 81 divided by s squared plus 81. This 3 is, we are having 3 into sine 3t. So 3 into sine 3t formula. So we are taking 9 as a common term, because 3 into 3 we will get 9, and 81 multiples of 9 into 9 we will get 81. So we are taking 9 as a common term. So 9 divided by 4 into 1 divided by s squared plus 9 minus 9 divided by s squared plus 81 is the answer. Then we will go with the second sum. So our second sum is L of sine 2t into cos 3t. We know the formula sin A cos B. It is in the form of sin A cos B. So we are adding two formulas, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So now we know the formula for sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Then for sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So adding these two, we will get the term 2 sin A cos B. So we need sin A into cos B alone. So we are shifting the two as a denominator here. So sin A plus B plus sin A minus B divided by 2, we will get this term. So by applying A as 2t and B as 3t in this formula, we will get sin 2t into cos 3t, which is equal to sin 2t plus 3t plus sin 2t minus 3t divided by 2. So 2t plus 3t is implies 5t. Then 2t minus 3t will implies minus t. So sin of minus t. Sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. We all know that. So sin of minus t will implies that minus sin t, which is divided by 2. So we are taking 1 by 2 as a common term here. So 1 by 2 into L of sin ft 5t minus L of sin t. So we know the formula for sin A theta, which is a divided by a squared plus s squared. So 5 divided by s squared plus 25 here. And for sin b, our a is 1. So 1 divided by s squared plus 1. This is the answer for the sum. Our next sum is L of cos squared 3t. So we know the formula for cos squared theta. Cos squared theta is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So instead of theta, here we are having 3t. So substituting 3t into theta, we are getting cos squared 3t, which is equal to 1 plus cos into 2 into 3t. So which implies 60 divided by 2. Now we are going to apply the Laplace transformation for the both sides. So L of cos squared 3t, which is equal to L of the whole term. So we are having 1 by 2 as a common denominator here. So we are taking then 1 by 2 as a constant value. So for common value 1 by 2, we are having L of 1 plus cos 60. So now we are going to split up the term. L of 1 plus L of cos 60. So we know the formula for L of 1, which is nothing but L of 1, which is equal to 1 divided by formula for L of cos 80. So cos 80 is nothing but L of cos 80 which is equal to S divided by S square plus A square. So we are having A term as 6. So substituting here 6, we are getting S divided by S square plus 36. So 1 by 2 into 1 divided by S plus S divided by S square plus 36 is the answer. Thank you.